So one of the problems we have with a lot of the Teslas are lack of usable power ports, such as the USB, the cigarette lighter, or just plain power from the vehicle. Well, our friends over at Hansshow has a solution to one of those problems, specifically the USB ports that you need to charge. Because as you know, charging your phones on the pads that come with your Tesla is, well, pretty slow, and it tends to heat up your phone quite a bit. Being able to plug into a USB port is actually pretty nice because it can charge your phone fairly quickly. So enter the Model Y Juniper USB Hub Adapter, and I wanted to show you just a little bit. So let's go ahead and take the plastic off here. And I think this is a really neat piece of equipment, because you'll notice you have the seldomly seen anymore in the Teslas USB-A port, which a lot of our cords are still. You have USB-C, which you can plug into. But on this particular item, you don't have to worry about bringing your own cord, because guess what? You have extendable cords that come out from the adapter. This one right here happens to be the USB-C variety right here. This one is the wire for your Apple accessories. So you have both. So there's no more excuse for not having the proper USB cord for your equipment in your vehicle. Unless, of course, you have like a micro USB, but really, seriously, trade in your phone. In any case, going to show you how to put this in real quick. Don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on this particular product and other great Tesla products. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you back in just a moment. Here we have the USB hub adapter, and it's going to plug into the 12-volt port, which is down here, and we're going to plug it in. But before we do that, this thing installs quite ingeniously. We're going to put it in on an angle first. If you look real carefully here on the sides of your compartment here, there are these little grooves, and this thing is designed to go into those grooves, and you're going to go in here kind of diagonally and then rotate it in, and it's going to fit right into those grooves, just like that, such that it slides along this track. And where it's going to go is it's going to actually sit right on top of your cup holder right there. It doesn't move. And so we take our wire, and now we're going to plug our 12-volt in, just like that. So we plug our 12-volt in, and voila, our hub is now working. Opposed to having our phone charged, charging your phones on the pads tends to heat up your phone quite a bit. Ow, that is hot. Oh, woohoo, that almost burned me. Good gracious, man. So opposed to doing that, you can just take your wire, plug it in, boom, now it's fast charging. Now, you probably noticed that after I plugged it in, we have this nice colorful light strip here. And in order to change that, we just press this button right here. We're going to go for all kind of designs and colors, and it just adds a little bit more to the vehicle. Or we can just turn it off. I'm going with the purple theme right now. But as I said, we have USB-C, USB-A, and all the plugs that we could possibly need. And when you close it all up, it all looks OEM and flush with the rest of the center console. That's all there is to it. So there you go. We got the USB hub adapter installed there. Very easy install. Highly recommended, because as you all know, we need more USB, let me rephrase that, more accessible USB ports in all of our Teslas. And this one in particular is the Model Y Juniper, but they do have them for other vehicles as well. Once again, look at the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on this product and other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Peace.